देखिए, बोलता है ना, जो आप करते हैं, माने अपनी आप जो बोते हैं, लगाते हैं, उसका फल उसी तरह आपके पास आएगा। आप ममता बनर्जी और इंडी अलायंस के पार्टनर जिस तरह से भारत विरोधी जो क्षमता उसको जैसे सपोर्ट किए थे, टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग आज वही जो सपोर्ट किए थे, आज ममता बनर्जी के टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग हो गए। ये एक केस स्टडी हो गया कि एक पार्टी जो 15 साल इतना ओडासिटी, इतना उद्धत्व, इतना एरोगेंस और इतना उन्नयन करने का जो प्रॉमिस दिए थे, कुछ हुआ नहीं। आज वही पार्टी एक महीना के अंदर टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग हो गए। ये एक अच्छा केस स्टडी बन सकता है। इट इज आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टुडे एंड थैंक्स टू आवर ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर शुभेंदु अधिकारी महाशय that this day is being celebrated and remembered, and it is our responsibility of every citizen of Bengal that not only the children of Bengal, not only the children of Bharat, but entire world, Indians and Bengalis should know the contribution of Dr. Shama Prasad Mukherjee for Bengal, for Kashmir, for industry, for entire India. It is our sole responsibility, whether putting it in history books or whatever. This man has to be remembered and we should be indebted to this man.
Ma'am, yesterday state budget presented and we have seen that there is the allotment of 1821 crore for the North Bengal where the previous government allotted only 850 crores. So how do you react on this, ma'am?
For Shubhendu Adhikari government, every citizen of Bengal is equal. But for the previous government, your stature was decided on how much vote you gave to that government, to that party. North Bengal didn't vote for TMC. So North Bengal didn't get any kind of benefit from the government. For us, North Bengal and the people of North Bengal is very, very important. And that is the reason we have taken this step, whether for tea gardens, whether IIT, whether IIM, everything will be done in North Bengal. And of course, from my department, Smart City, Special Himalayan Hill City, everything will be developed in North Bengal.